The Department of Public Works and Highways Camarines Norte Sub-Deo, a member of District Engineers League of the Philippines DELP, joined the entire Dpwh community in realizing every year's DELP program with this year's theme Gamit, Pang-Eskwela, Handog, on August 30 to 31, 2023. The activity, in coordination with the Department of Education, was spearheaded by the OIC District Engineer Gilbert P. Romero and Assistant District Engineer Simon Mart J.B. Arias, with assistance of the section chiefs who worked through the success of the said activity. The distinguished men of the actions of the 2nd District enthusiastically helped in the distribution of the school supplies and materials. That simple act of the kindness created a meaningful smile from the young learners as they received such. The selected elementary schools in the towns of Daet, Mercedes, and San Vicente were the recipients of this year's program. The annual participation of the Dpwh in this endeavor showed that the collaboration with the Dpwh is not only limited to the constructions of educational facilities but also supports its plans and programs in solidifying the quality of education in the Philippines. Para sa totoo, Balitang Banwaan, Rona Vega, MBTV News.